everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're going to look at two travel adapters by Epicka, the TA-105C and the TA-105 Max. So let's take a look. Taking the adapters out of the box, you can see it comes with a storage case. So removing the adapters from the case, you got the adapter, you have the user manual, and then you have some spare fuses. The TA-105 Max, same thing, you have a case. Taking it out, you have the adapter, the user manual, and then some spare fuses. Going over some specs, first the TA-105C. This has two USB-A ports, 3 USB-C ports, smart IC. It's compact, 3 spare fuses, and it can be used worldwide. AC input of 100 to 240 volts, 50 to 60 hertz. AC output of 100 to 240 volts, 8 amp max. USB-A output 5 volt, 2.4 amps. USB-C output 5 volts, 3 amps. And total output 5 volts, 6 amps. Now the TA-105 Max features fast charging. It has the GAN fast charging. It has 3 USB-C ports, 2 USB-A ports. Again, it's pretty much the same as the other one. Plug and play system, cruise friendly, 3 spare fuses. It has a safety shutter, and it can be used at 200 plus countries and regions. It has an AC input of 100 to 240 volts, 50 to 60 hertz. AC input 100 to 250 volts, 10 amp max. And a max power of 1000 watts at 100 volts. Total DC output is 75 watts. Also, it came with a warning label here. It says, this adapter does not convert voltage. To use AC powered devices abroad, you must make sure it supports dual voltage with 100 to 240 volts, 50 to 60 hertz printed on it. So taking a look at the adapters, you know, both are fairly light. And it has a pretty small footprint. It has a black matte finish all around. You have the Epicka branding on the front for both of the devices, and also on the side you have the specs. So if you're unsure, you know, of the output and input, you can read it on the side. And then on the back, you can see both have that slot for the fuse, so you can replace it, and it comes with the spare fuses. And then looking at the size of the adapters, the 105C is just slightly smaller than the Max, as you can see here. And again, they're fairly light. So looking at the 105C, you can see on the left side you have one Type C port on the side, and then you have your various plugs here. So you have USA and Australia, UK and EU. So if you just want to use it in a particular country, let's say the USA, you want to push out, and then you can see the plug come out. And then to release the plug, on the right side you have a button here. So once you press that button, you can pull back on the plug. And then again you have the UK, and you can see if you don't press the button, you won't be able to pull it back. So press the button, and then the EU. And then on the bottom here you have the additional USB-C and then the USB-A ports. Okay, looking at the TA-105 Max, same thing on the left side. You have your options for the different plugs here. The USA, Australia, UK, and EU. You also have a USB-A port here. So pushing the US and Australia plug out. And then you can press the button on the right side. UK, and then EU here. Then you can see the front you know, when you need to plug your devices in there. And then as far as the other side here, you also have a USB-A port, and then the bottom you have all your USB-C ports. And again, this has the fast charging, the GAN charging. And just demonstrating real quick, I'm gonna plug in some devices on the USB-A port here. I'm gonna choose the US, plug it up to this power strip here. And I got some GoPro batteries, and then a Rode wireless receiver. So I'll just go ahead and plug it in here. And you can see it immediately charges. The batteries are charging, and the wireless microphone. Okay, so that's a look at the Epicka travel adapters. We looked at the TA-105C and then the TA-105 Max. I put the links in the description below if you want to check it out. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.